Hey guys, welcome back to A La Carte with Alex, where I'm helping you cook up quick, easy, and delicious food one plate at a time. And you know what? It's the middle of the night. I got a craving for something savory. I got a craving for some pasta. And so you know what? We're going to make some late night Alfredo. So let's get cooking. So we're going to start with a pan, and to that we're going to go ahead and add 2.5 cups of heavy cream. And while we slowly warm up that milk, we're going to squeeze in the juice of about half a lemon. And we're going to give that a good stir. So to our lemon juice and milk mixture, we're going to add 12 tablespoons of butter, a little pinch of salt, a heavy crack of pepper, a little tiny pinch of garlic powder, and a tiny pinch of paprika. Nice little heat source in there. That's it's kind of a nice little secret of mine. And then we'll go ahead and make sure that we stir that up. And once that's starting to warm up and it's not going to bubble. You don't want this to boil. You just want this to slowly warm up and start to thicken up. And to our mixture, we're going to add 2 cups of cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. I like a nice fontina or a nice soft white cheese. You can add a white cheddar if you want a little bit more of a sharp flavor to it. But go ahead and mix that up and let that boil until it starts to thicken up. Now, if you're like me, you realize that your pan isn't big enough for swirling and you're spilling all over the place. So we'll transfer to a bigger pan. And as that starts to kind of melt down a little bit, we're going to add the zest of 1 lemon. Now, I know it's weird. You're thinking this is going to be super lemony, but trust me, it's not. That cream and that lemon is going to come together and it's going to be super tasty. Make sure that you taste test your sauce to make sure it doesn't need any more pepper or salt. Boom, delicious. And we're going to go ahead and let that simmer on low till it starts to thicken up. So we're going to go ahead and add our pasta and a little bit of pasta water. That's going to help our sauce kind of come together and thicken up. And then we're going to just kind of keep that on low and mix that in. That's it. So you just take out your pasta, spoon it onto your plate or bowl. It's late night, so it's going to be messy. It's going to be delicious though. And there you go. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I'm going to go eat this and I'm going to go back to bed. But I hope that you guys are staying full, staying healthy. Bye, guys.